Chaos Control Cloud's Universal Lookup feature enables you to find documents when all you have is the document reference, even if you may not be completely sure what type of document it refers to. To use this feature, we click on the magnifying glass symbol next to the shortcut command window. This opens the Universal Lookup search dialog. Next, we'll enter the reference number of the document we wish to find. As you can see, the results have been returned, showing us that this document is a purchase order. If we need to, by using the options at the end of the row, we can view the document. If we only have a partial reference, we can use the filters button to do a wildcard search. We use the percentage symbol as our wildcard. In this case, we're looking for any document that ends in 124. And as you can see, we have a sales invoice and a sales order, both ending in those digits.